Gross domestic product reflects changes in both quantity and prices. In this tutorial, I will show you how to determine how much of the increase in the GDP between 2000 and 2001 was due to inflation. We start off by calculating nominal GDP in year 2000. Nominal GDP is just sum of all quantities multiplied with their prices. 12 times 1. So the nominal GDP here is 36. Let's figure out nominal GDP for 2001. For 2001, once again, we're multiplying 3 by 12 plus 14 times 1.5. This equals to 57. Now, for the real GDP, we use current year quantities, the same thing for 2001. But instead of using current year prices, we use base year prices. This way, we separate the change in quantity from the change in the prices. So using these quantities, 2 times price of 10 plus current quantity 12 times price of 1, we get 32. Now let's do the same thing here. 3 times 10 plus 14 times 1 equals 44. So now let's look at the increase in the nominal GDP. The increase in the nominal GDP can be obtained by looking at how much of a change happened between 2000 and 2001, from 36, when GDP went from 36 to 57. 57 minus 36 divided by 36 times 100%. This gives us 58.3%. Nominal GDP has increased by 58.3%. Now, how much of that increase was due to the increase in the quantities holding the prices constant? And for that, we need to look at the change in real GDP. 44 minus 32 divided by 32 times 100. This gives us 37.5. So what it means that out of 58.3% increase in the GDP, only 37.5 was due to the increase in the output. What is the difference between those two? The difference between those two is 20.8%, and that is the part of the increase in the GDP that was due to inflation.